We are about to begin lesson 6 of writing in Persian. Before I introduce a new letter, let's practice a little bit on what we have learned so far. We just learned this, which is z, z, and we had the words like zan, which means woman, and also we can have m, e, and z, means, which means table, means, m, ye, z, sorry, me, e, z, me, e, z, mees, okay. We also learn this one, which is u initial, okay, u, okay, and when it is in the middle or final position, it looks like this. And we had the words like u, which means he or she, and also we had the suit, okay, which was whistle. So s, u, t, s, u, t. Remember that this vav, which is pronounced u in this case, it is actually a non-connector and it can't be connected to the following character or letter. Now let's go to a new one. Okay, we have this, which is a connective one, and that's ke, and pronounced ke, like cat, like ket, like kettle, sorry, like kicking, or like just any k, cake, okay, cake. So k is connective, and when you want to connect it, so this portion is deleted, and then it stands on the line, and then you go to the following character or letter. Okay, let's practice a little bit some of these words that can, some words. This is ke, okay, t, a, b, kitab, book, k, e, t, a, b. K is connective, e is a sign, t is connective, a is non-connective, and then b should be written separately. It can't be connected to this one. That's why it is in the full form, okay? It comes the final position. Let me write again. K, t, a, b, kitab, okay? Now another word, and that's n, a, m, a, k, okay? N, connective, a is a sign, m, connective, a is a sign, and then we have k at the end, okay? So if you compare this one and this one, you will notice that they look like each other, except that this one is a longer one, and it is in the final position attached. Even if it is in the final position not attached, it should be written something like this. It should be right like this one, okay? Okay, another word would be s, a, k. You see how it stands? Exactly, this one and this one are the same, because they are written separately. Sock. Well, I forgot to say that namak means salt, and sock, s, a, k, s, connective, non-connective, k, it should be written separately. Sock means a bag, okay, bag. Some other words with that. We have t, connective, a, ta, so far, k, connective, s, connective, e, taxi. Again, t, a, k, s, e, taxi. T, connective, a, non-connective, k, connective, s, connective, and then e at the end is attached to that. Okay, taxi. Taxi means taxi. Okay. What about yes, this one? K, a, m, r, a, n. Kamran. Okay. K, connective. A, non-connective. M, connective. R, non-connective. A, non-connective. And nun should be written separately at the end. Kamran is the name for a boy. Kamran, Kamran. Again, b, a. Okay, b, a, b, a, k. Babak, babak, babak. Okay, babak is also the name for a boy. Let me write again. Babak. Okay, babak, babak. B connective, A non-connective. B connective. A is a sign. K is what is the final K sound. Okay. Another well, let me go here. Oops, I'm sorry. Babak. Then we have b, a, n, k. Okay, b, a, n, k. B, a, n, k. Bank, bank, bank for transaction. Okay. Another one would be k, a, r. Okay, k, a, r. Okay, car, car, car means work. Okay, k, connective, non-connective. Re should be written separately. Okay, car. What about this one? Car, mand. Okay, car, k, a, r, m, a, n, d. K, a, r, m, a, n, d. Carmand, employee, employee. Carman means employee. What sentence like u, dar, dar, b, a, n, k, k, a, r, m, e, ko. This is o. Okay, this is o. Ko, ko, ko. We had this. We had it before. Ko, n, a, d. This sentence. U, which means he or she. Dar means in. Bank, bank, bank. Kar mikonad. او در بانک کار میکند. او در بانک کار میکند. او در بانک کار میکند. Having introduced this, let me just go through this one. That if you write like this and you put it here something, it would be O. O. Again, I remind you that we had earlier a, we had a, yes, and we had what? We had a. Okay, so we had O, A, A. And I want to concentrate on this one right now. O, O, okay, O. Some words, okay. O, mid, okay. O, me, I, d. Omid. Omid is the name for a boy. Also, it means hope, okay. M, O, R, A, D. Murad. M, O, R, A, D. Okay, me connector, connective, R non-connective, 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 and that is pronounced O. Murad. Murad is also the name for a boy. Another word, bazar. Okay, bazar, bazar, bazar means market, market. Okay, now a sentence. Man, okay, ba murad در در بازار کار می کنم. Okay, a little bit long, but it's good to learn in sentences rather than the words. Man, b a ba, o r a d با مراد, d a r در, b a z a r بازار, k a r کار, m i می کنم. من I with مراد در in بازار market, car work I do. It means I work with Murad in the bazaar, in the market, okay? So من با مراد در بازار کار می کنم. Okay? Okay. Now, دکتر 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 دو non-connective, k connective, t connective, r is attached to the t, but after it can't be anything attached because it's non-connective. So they have doctor. Doctor means sometimes it's used to the physician or the doctor, a doctorate sometimes. O r d a k ordak. O r d a k. Okay, non-connective, non-connective, non-connective. Therefore, they should be written separately as k. Or d a k. Ordak. Ordak means duck. D-U-C-K. Okay, ordak. Okay, this one. O to boost. Well, here I know what you want to say. Here, this one is sometimes pronounced o, sometimes pronounced u. Autobus. I'll explain it later on, but let's just learn it that it may have two different sounds. O and actually u. Autobus. And okay, that's an exception. I'll explain later on. Autobus means bus. Then we have درشت. 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 درشت means big, like for example the تخم مرغ درشت, which means big eggs. Okay, this one کمک. That was a mistake. Kmak. Okay, sorry for that. Komak. Komak means help. Okay, komak. We can say komak kardan. Dan. Komak kardan is a compound verb. This is all together as a compound verb to help. So komak kardan. In Persian we say help, do. To help. To do help, for example. Komak kardan. Komak kardan. Okay. Okay, we have kot. Kot. Coat. Actually, it means jacket. Okay, coat. Coat. And we have tund. T connective, n connective, and there is the final. So to, this is a sign, this one is a sign. So a t, o, n, d, tund. Tund means fast. Also, it means something which is spicy. Okay, so like for example, Mexican food which are spicy, we say tund. Okay, tund. Now this one, b, o, z, boz. Again, b, o, z, boz. Boz means goat. Goat. Oh, this one. Do, z, d. Dozd. D, o, z, d. Those means burglar or thief. Okay. Now this one. Sa, bo, k. Okay. S, a, b, o, k. Sabok. Sabok means something light. L-I-G-H-T, the opposite to heavy. Okay, sabok. Sa, s, connective. A is a sign. B is connective. O is a sign, and it is connected to the K. And this is the final K, sabok. Okay, one more. No, no, z, o, k. Nozuk. Nozuk. So sabuk, nozuk. Nozuk means thin. Thin. Okay, thin. Okay, nozuk. Nozuk. Some more words. Well, let's say. Well, let's go to the sentence. Die Rose man در بازار بودم. دیروز من در بازار بودم. دیروز means yesterday. د non-connective. دی روز دیروز. ن در من در. بازار. بودم. Yesterday I was in bazaar, in the market yesterday. Okay. Okay. I guess that's the end of lesson 6, and we'll follow it with later on with another lesson. Now let me just repeat what I have written here. So please follow me. Zan. Miz, oo initial, oo in the middle or final. Suit, whistle. Kitab, namak. Sock, taxi. Kamran, babak. Bank, کارمند, employee. او در بانک کار می کند. او در بانک کار می کند. او again. او okay. امید. امید. مراد. بازار. من با مراد در بازار کار می کنم. من با مراد در بازار کار می کنم. اوکی. دکتر. اردک. اتوبوس. درشت. کمک کردن. کت تند بز goat بز دزد سبک نازک دیروز من در بازار بودم is I was دیروز من در بازار بودم. Okay, that was the end of lesson 6. Hope you'll enjoy it. Have fun.